Today we will discuss how we can able to create the levels and how we can create the level copies and offset. So we have to discuss about these things. Okay. As usual, I open the Revit architecture model. In the project browser, here you can find out level 1, level 2 is available and site also available. At the same time, you can find out the ceiling plans, the level 1, level 2, and you can find out the elevations, the building elevations, east, north, southwest. So after that, legends and schedules, sheets, families, group, reviewings. So as usual, you can find out these things in the project browser. So here you can find out two levels, one and two. So how you can able to apply for the new levels, or you have to add the new levels. As usual, buildings have more than two to three or more than three levels available. Okay. So now I just want to select east elevation. So when you select the elevations, here you can find out level 1 and level 2 it's available. And the same time you can find out the 4,000 millimeter. Okay. The height of level 0 to level 2. So this is in the unit. So you can just type in the keyword keyboard in UN. Here you can find out the discipline. So this discipline is always in the common discipline. So if you want, you can go for the particular disciplines. If you want HVAC, electrical, energy, piping, as you wish, you can change it. So otherwise, you can keep it as it is common. And here you can find out the length. The length is showing millimeter, and the decimal place you can able to find out one or two or like that as you wish you can find out. So at the same time, the unit symbols also you can find out mm. Okay. So this is the first step. You have to do it. Okay. So now I will press OK and I have to choose OK again. Now you can find out this is we changed the levels model. So for example, if you need to draw this one like meters, so actually we are using in the matrix. So you want to change it the meter, you can go for UN units projects. So again, you can go to the length and you can find out the meters here. Okay. So it's automatically change like a meter. So, so this is the way you can able to change it. Now I will create another level. So I can go for the levels. I can take a pick line. So before that, you have to identify one thing. The level is activated only the elevations. Okay. So when you go to select in the level floor plans, it is not activated. Okay. So when you select in elevation view only, you can able to find out. So this is very important. So when you select in the levels, so first of all, you can find out one modify place level toolbar is available. Here, make a plan view type, offset available. Here you can find out the pick line. So when you press the pick line, offset should be changed. So as you wish, you can put it 3 meter or 4 meter or 5 meters. Depends your drawings, you can able to change it. Here I will put it 4 as same level. Okay. At the same time, if you want, you can able to change it. Go to edit, and if you want, you can able to change the colors. We will check this one later. Now I have to go for the pick line. So I will keep my mouse cursor here. Okay. So you can find out there's one dotted dash line is coming there, like a blue line. So you just press somewhere here. Okay, so after that, don't forget you have to keep it, you have to press it in the modify tool. Otherwise, it's automatically going for the another level. So now this is level 3, this is level 2 we created. Okay. At the same time, here you can find out this is like a blue color. This is blue color. It's mean the floor levels it's already get it. Here you can find out one, two, three. Same time you can find out from one, two, three in the ceiling plan. Okay. Now this is for offset level. Okay. So you have to create any reference level. The reference level we have to use this most or building designing, especially for HVAC, electrical, we have to use it. Reference level. So this reference level means it's not included in the floor plans or ceiling plans. But this is notified in the drawing, in the elevations, but you cannot able to use that one to like a floor plan or ceiling plan. Anyway, I will just select this one. I will just go to select copy and I can maybe I will take it from 3 meter. I will put it somewhere here. Okay. Right. See, now you can find out the different of two levels. This is reference level. This is as usual we are using the level. So when you copy this level, it's always showing black. Okay. So as usual, we are offset the level, it will be showing on blue color. So these two is very important. So you when you receive some drawings, so after that you can go to select the elevation and you have to find out and you have to check it. It will be available in the floor plans or elevations or something you have to find out. So this is very important to check it before you started the drawing. Okay. So at the same time, you can go to select here the elbow. You can select add elbow. So you can able to drag flexibility your levels. At the same time, when you select here and you can go for the level renames also, you can able to check it. Okay. At the same time, when you select this one, the level, you can go to property. So elevation is total elevation is showing 8,000, sorry, 8 meters. And this is the default story above. And these are the things available, but we are using this one in the architecture. So if you want, you can choose it in structural also as you wish. So otherwise, you can keep it like a building store. So this is very, very important for when you start the Revit, when you start the MEP. So the level is must. So you can find out the levels. So after that, the next step you have to go to select in the view. You can go for the plan view, and after that you can go for the floor plan. So here you can find out this is the one we copied. Now you can press OK. Again, it will be automatically coming from the level plan. Now you can find out here. But it came here, but you cannot able to find out this one in the electrical, sorry, ceiling plan. So where you can able to get it? Again, you have to go to the floor plan views and choose it the reflected ceiling plan, and you can press OK. So it's came to the ceiling plan. So now you can go for here in the elevation. Now you can understand. In case you receive any uh, levels in the Revit architecture, you can find out how